So hello guys, it's Peeps Come FS and welcome to this week market outlook. You guys know how we do it. Before the opening of the market, we'll look at the market and look at possible key levels where we're going to be having awesome trade. And I'm just going to be reviewing like 4 to 5 pair. I don't want the video to be too long. Now for Euro GBP, this is where I'm actually going to be expecting some buy from. So I'm expecting price to actually pull back because we actually broke this structure and we have our higher low. You know, we are on an uptrend on this pair, higher low, and we were able to create a higher high. So what we are actually looking at for is price actually giving us pullback within the internal structure to create another higher low. So I'm actually expecting a higher low around this level and price giving us another higher high. Now this is where price is actually coming on this pair. We're actually looking for price to trade to this level on the higher time frame. So I don't want the video to be too long, but this is where I'm actually going to be targeting this new week, this high. All right, so looking for a higher low and a higher high to actually happen. All right, that is for Euro GBP. Now also this pair GBPCHF. All right, now on GBPCHF we're actually on a downtrend, so I'm expecting some sort of shift of market from this pair. So let me just first delete this because for now there is no change of market structure. So we have price take out this low, all right, and we created this high and we created a lower low. So I want to see price shift structure first, because as it is now I don't want to sell this pair. So I want to see price give us a shift of market structure, breaking this low, this lower high. All right, if price can trade and break it, then I will definitely wait for a pullback depending on what we have here. If we have any fair value gap, we have any liquidity before this break of structure, definitely that is when I will look for a buy opportunity around this pullback and actually buy this trade to target this high or even probably this level depending on how the market actually push. All right, so for me I want to see a shift of market structure because at this moment now we have this lower low, and not just that, let me reduce this. We have a lower low and price was able to create a lower high. So for me I want to see a price shifting structure, but now we have a lower low. So this is where price is currently at. And what do I want to see? I want to see price create a higher high, giving us a shift of market direction. So now if we can see her wait like on Monday and Tuesday to see if price is going to give us a shift of market structure, breaking above this lower high, and we expect a pullback to this level, that is when I'm actually going to be partaking on this trade, because I strongly believe at this level we should have some market shift and have a shift of markets. Remember, know how we do it. We are always looking for a possible trade that will give us 1 to 2 setup, and if this happen, I will be glad to actually look for a buy opportunity on this particular pair. Now, which another pair I'm actually looking at for an opportunity? GBPJPY. All right, now for GBPJPY, last week when I analyzed this pair, that was on Thursday, I was expecting price to trade to this level, and that will still be my expectation for this new week. All right, now we have our higher low and we have our higher high. Price could not break above this higher high that was created. Instead we have a sweep and price came back to take out this liquidity created. Now the reason I'm not even expecting to trade anything from this level is because if I should take my fib and measure from that higher high to the higher low, price has not given us a complete pullback or a valid pullback below the 50% of the Fibonacci tool. So why would I want to engage on this trade? I don't want to, because it's still expensive for me. I want it to come to the discount price. All right, so I want to see price push all the way from that level let me delete this. So this is the 50%. If I have to mark this 50%, notice this is the 50%. I want to participate when price is cheap. I don't just want to just get involved in the market just in anywhere. All right, that is the discipline that you have to have as a trader. Make sure what you are expecting or well, your strategy should play out before you get involved in the market. So if this is our 50%, I want price to trade below the 50%, which is this line. Come back to him giving me a premium or discount level around this level. Then if I see a shift of market structure around here, I will actually participate in this buy and target this high to go. But this is where price is actually coming. All right, price is actually going to be coming to that level. Now to see this more clearly, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you see that that level I marked, we definitely going to be having a sort of, can you see that we have a liquidity around this level? Now before price broke this structure to create this high that we have this liquidity here. So I expect price to trade below the 50%, come and use this liquidity. All right, and we see this expansion happen. So I'm actually expecting price to trade from that level all the way down to this level, give us a shift of market structure. Then I will look for a buy on this pair to target this high, because I know this is where I expect price to come and close above this new week. All right, so that is for GBPJPY. Now another pair I'm actually interested on is EURUSD. You know that we currently have a trade that is floating on EURUSD and we are still holding. All right, so this week we were able to have a shift of market structure around this level. And what do we see? Price attend to go to create a tutorial type of phase. So what price will definitely do this week is when price open this low that we have here, price may sell all the way back to this level, then create a change of character maybe around this level and continue to trade up. So I'm still holding this trade. All right, we already entered the trade. You know how we do it here. We are either going to be hitting TP or we hit L sell. All right, no partial, no break even, and that is how I trade. Now if you see my video for the first time, you want to join my Telegram channel, I will advise you to use the link in my description here on YouTube to join the Telegram channel. And also if you are interested in my mentorship, all right, you are interested in my mentorship, you can actually contact me with this number, all right, on WhatsApp to be part of my mentorship. All right, and I'll be glad to be your mentor. All right, so you send me a message with this number on WhatsApp and I will respond. Also, we have a free Telegram community whereby I share signals and my daily trading outlook for people to actually take those signals and make money with it. And on this month of October, if you're just also coming across my video for the first time, we are actually having a trading challenge in this month of October. And on that trading challenge, we've been able to take a total trade of 14 trade, all right, 14 trade, and we've only hit one stop loss and also hit over 11 take profits. All right, and we are still having 2 trades that are running in profit, and this is one of those trades. This is EURUSD is one of those trades, and the EURCHF is also another trade that we are holding. All right, so these are the 2 trades that we are currently holding. You can see this make up our 13 trade, and like I said, we either going to be hitting take profit or we're going to be hitting stop loss. We don't do break even or take partial profit. So this trade, I'm still expecting price to break above this level, give us a retest this new week, and continue to trade to the upside. So I'm definitely still going to be holding my position on this particular trade, hoping price hit our TP. So guys, if you want to see all these trades that we've shared so far on our challenge and see people respond, this is the Telegram group. The link will be in the description. For every trade that I've shared, okay, we posted it here in this group, and people in this group are actually taking them. You can come here and see when I posted TP smashed on the EURGBP. So all the trades are here. The one I posted and the one I'm still holding, they are all in this group. So you can use the link in the description from here on to join the Telegram channel. All right, so I don't want the video to be extremely long. Those are some of the pair I'm actually going to be looking forward to. Now you can do yourself a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and inside this YouTube channel you'll be learning more about forex trading. And if you are looking to learn about how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, we have a video for that. Also, if you want to backtest your strategy for free, you can actually come here. So if I should refresh this page, you will see that the numbers will definitely change because I have not opened it for a while. So I just refresh it now. Come here, subscribe. You have access to all this video, and you're going to be learning more about liquidity. If you don't understand what liquidity is, you can learn difference between pullback and reversal. So we have a lot of videos here to help you as a beginner. You want to learn more about fair value gap, we have a video for that. So guys, see you guys, subscribe, and I wish you guys a wonderful new week ahead of time. I'm Pips Come FS, and bye for now.